Kurnell is one of Australia's best dive sites, so when I got asked to show some local Sydney divers around, loving the area, naturally I replied, start out by swimming over the kelp and the boulders and keep going until you hit the wall. Here, the magic truly happens. These coral gardens line the entire dive site, but if you're after something a little more, just look under the kelp. Be sure to keep an eye out on the sand for large rays and cuttlefish, as well as in between the rocks for octopus. And that is one of my favourite Sydney dives.